The second product on our list is the holystone brushless drone. The holystone HS720G is one of my top picks for best drones, with its high-quality camera, which shoots in 4K and slows down your footage to create a cinematic effect. The drone is also easy to control and comes with a built-in GPS system that makes it simple to fly. It has an impressive flight range of 1,200 meters and can stay in the air for up to 25 minutes at a time or 50 minutes if you're using the optional battery. You can use your smartphone to control the drone's movement if you prefer not to use the included remote controller. The drone comes equipped with a 720-pixel HD video camera that shoots video at 60 frames per second, so you'll be able to capture smooth, clear images of whatever you're filming. It also features 2 GB of internal storage space, so you can store photos or videos taken on your trip without having to rely on an external memory card. It's a great drone for people who want to get started with a camera drone, but don't want to spend too much money. It's got all the features of a more expensive drone, but at a fraction of the cost. It has an HD live view and can be controlled by your phone, which allows you to capture high-quality pictures and videos. If you're looking for a camera drone that won't break the bank, this is definitely one that we recommend checking out. This drone is a must-have.